local self-government in urban areas. Before then that we studied about the Gram Panchayatis, and now in previous week we started local self-government in urban areas, and what population is required Nagar Council, Nagar Panchayat, Nagar Council and municipal council, Nagar Panchayat, municipal council and municipal corporation. These are all the things we were studied in the previous class, and have stopped up the how does the municipality work. How does the municipality work? Municipality, what are the responsibilities of the municipality towards of its municipality coverage people? Suppose the population is more than 1 crore in the municipal corporation like Hyderabad, Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation. What are the responsibilities of the municipality? The responsibilities are as same as which are like Grama Panchayatis. Like we studied in the Grama Panchayatis, public amenities are required. Public amenities like water facility, drainage facility, cleaning drainage facility, street lights, maintaining good street lights, the sanitization of the villages. These are all the aspects of the public facilities which are required under the public amenities, daily need amenities. So that we studied in the Grama Panchayatis lessons in the previous chapters. So here what are the responsible? How does municipality work? How does the municipality work? Municipality will also work as same as Grama Panchayati. It should provide the public facilities which are recommended to the people. Let us see, the municipality has a lot of tasks to perform like water supply, street lighting, maintaining and building roads, drainage and garbage disposal of the running schools, ration shops, hospitals, among others besides taking up new developmental works. Now all these cannot be done by the few people or by the corporators. All this cannot be done by the few people or the corporators or councillors alone. Hence the municipalities employs a large number of the workers, officers, clerks and accounts. Each municipality has a number of departments headed by an officer who is responsible for the proper working of the department, which means in municipal corporation there are the corporators like ward members. In municipal corporation there are the corporators who will work as ward members in the Grama Panchayatis. In Grama Panchayatis ward members will say, and in municipal corporation corporators from the each ward we will say. In Nagar Council councillors we will say. The councillors of that area we will say. So in municipal corporation there are the several employees will work like clerks, accountants, so that several aspects, bill collectors, bill collecting people, these all the people are working. So there was a department, the municipality has a number of departments headed by an officer. So here one of the head officer who can observe to all these people, to all these people's demands, so that can be happen here in the continuation manner. So let us see here. For example, there will be a water supply department, electricity department, education department and garbage disposal department in every municipality. You may be wondering as to what is the work of the councillors. Actually, the councillors stay in touch with the people of the ward to understand their needs and problems and discuss them in the municipalities meetings in order to ensure that all these different kinds of the work are properly thought about. The municipality has a number of committees and the councillors are seated to these committees. The work of the committees is to review the functioning of the municipality department and plan new work to the undertaken. They prepare proposals which are discussed in the municipality meetings and passed. These decisions are implemented by the officers and employees of the municipality, which means what does it mean? So how does a municipality work is the question here. In municipality, the councillors stay in touch with the people. From each ward one councillor, from each ward one in municipal corporations, from each ward one of the corporator. In municipal council, from each ward there is a councillor. So these are the people will stay in touch with the people. What problems they have, like under which comes under the public amenities, that they will be in touch of the people and they will intimate to the municipal office, to the municipal officer. They will inform these all the issues. In my ward, these are the issues which where the people are asking me constantly. People are asking me to facilitate this facilities in my ward, so that he will inform to the municipal office, to the officer. Then he will be provided. Then it will be investigated. It will be observed. Then after it, towards of this bill will be issued to solve the problem where the problem was not solved. The ward councillors ensure that the needs of their wards are placed before the council when the decisions are taken. They also stay in touch with the people of the ward who may take their problems to them. Let us look at the example of how people of a ward can solve their problems by approaching their ward councillors. Approaching their ward councillors, which means when the ward councillors will approach, at the time they will inspect, they will investigate, and they will start facilitating these facilities. One of the basic discussion was given here, a community representation. Yasmin Khala said, earlier even our colony used to have the garbage laying all over, and if it remained uncollected, it would attract dogs, rats and flies. People also got ill because of the smell. The women were very unhappy about the situation. Then it was Gangabai who said that we should meet the ward councillors and protest since we elected him. So Gangabai what said? See, in our colony there was the garbage, which was decomposing, which was smelling. With that, there are the chances to get ill, and there are the chances to increase rats, dogs, and other animals. So towards of this, we elected our councillor. So altogether, once we have to meet our councillor to remove that garbage, maintain the good sanitizer situations where hygienic activities do not cause here. So that he was said. She gathered a small group of the women and went to his house. He came out and asked them what was wrong. Gangabai described the situation of the locality to him. He promised to go with them. The next day to meet the commissioner, he asked Gangabai to get a petition signed by all the adults in the locality, saying that garbage was not being collected, that evening children run from the house to house, making sure that as many families as possible signed the petition. The next morning, a large group of women along with the ward councillor went to the municipal corporation office. The commissioner met with this large group and said that they did not have enough trucks. Gangabai replied, but you seem to have enough trucks to collect garbage from the other localities. He promised that he would take care of it immediately. If it was not done in 2 days, protest would continue, said Yasmin Khala. So what he was said, if it was not, the garbage cannot be collected within 2 days, the protest will be continued. Then it was replied by the Yasmin Khala, who was participant of that protest.